Hi everyone, welcome back to Tech Wall, and this is not a review and this is not a live, but this is an announcement video where we will say about the new channel which is Tech Wall behind the scenes. As you can see the logo below us, that's the logo of the Tech Wall behind the scene, and there we will upload the funniest moment where we make errors, the clip of that part, and but for the Tech World main channel, we upload after editing that error part, cutting that error part, and uploading. Yeah, and my partner will say the more details about this channel.
Yes, so exactly what my partner said, it's right because exactly what TechWall has said is right because basically when we take our videos, we actually edit it, we actually cut. So yeah, and basically what we are actually doing in this video is basically that we take so many takes and also we have this funny moments behind while we record our videos. So we're gonna actually share that moments with you guys. So they're gonna be funny moments where we are gonna be shooting our videos. So we basically cut that, edit that, but right now we're gonna be sharing that moments in the new channel, which is Tech World Behind the Scene. So that's all. Rest my partner will say.
The channel is featured in that main Tech World channel, so you can subscribe if you're interested in watching like that videos from our side. Please subscribe to the channel, then hit the like button if you like it, and comment down if you want more videos like this, l-
Yes.
like like this types of videos in the BTS channel. So we will not be regular in that channel, but we will be regular in Tech World main channel where we will give you the more tech reviews.
Yes, he's right. So that's we will be giving you new videos in Tech World, but this videos like in behind the scenes, they'll be like maybe once or twice in a week. Let's say that's only you guys won't be seeing it like most of the time because it's so rare for us to make mistakes most of the time. So that's all. So if you guys want more tech videos like this, you guys have to subscribe, like, comment, and share, and turn on notifications. Because if you guys turn on notifications, you guys get notified if you send a new video. And also, you guys have to share with this to your friends, family members, whoever you guys know. And that's all. And this is me, Jonas.
And this is me, Johns.
We are Tech World signing out. Bye bye.